it all the same way.
Sometimes we're friends, sometimes we're strangers. Though there are tears, there's always love. It hurts when you cry from words thrown in anger. Won't feelings run deep, but that's not enough. It takes the rain to make love grow. It's a heartache and a pain, makes a real heart show. When someone shines, that's a desert below. It takes a little rain to make love grow. Hearts used to breathe, then they grow closer. Honesty wins when it's someone you trust. Forever takes time. True love is never over. It's filled with new stars. Just look at us. It takes the rain to make love grow. It's a heartache and pain that makes your heart show. Where the sun always shines, there's a desert below. It takes a little rain to make love grow. Takes a little rain for everything, don't it?